Did you know that every minute, over 400 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube? That's like watching the entire Harry Potter series more than 1,000 times in a single minute. The magic behind this massive content sorting and ranking isn't a sorting hat, it's the YouTube algorithm. Imagine the algorithm as a very efficient librarian. This librarian doesn't just sort books by their titles or the author's names, but by how often they're read, how long people spend reading them, and even how many people recommend them to their friends. Just like this librarian, the YouTube algorithm sorts videos not just by their metadata, titles, descriptions, and tags, but also by engagement metrics like watch time, click-through rate, comments, likes, and shares. Now you might be wondering, how can you make this efficient librarian, our YouTube algorithm, notice your videos? Well, you can start by optimizing your video metadata. Use clear, compelling, and keyword-rich titles. Provide detailed descriptions with relevant keywords. Use tags wisely to help YouTube categorize your video. Next, pay attention to your thumbnail design. Create attractive, high-quality thumbnails that accurately represent your video content. Remember, a book is often judged by its cover, and in the case of YouTube, a video is often judged by its thumbnail. Then focus on content quality and consistency. High-resolution videos with good audio and clear content are always appreciated. Regularly uploading videos keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. And speaking of audience, keep them watching as long as possible. The higher your audience retention rate, the better your video's ranking. Respond to comments and engage with your community. Building a loyal audience can boost your video's performance. Also, create content that aligns with current trends or seasonal events. This can tap into a larger audience and increase your visibility. Use playlists to group similar content, encouraging longer viewing sessions. Promote other videos using end screens and cards to increase overall watch time on your channel. Drive traffic from external sources such as social media, blogs, or websites to increase views and engagement. Finally, stay informed about updates and changes to the YouTube algorithm. Following YouTube's creator blog and other industry news sources can keep you in the loop. So, just like the librarian who's always updating and changing the library system based on readers' behavior, YouTube's algorithm is constantly evolving. By focusing on these key factors, you can improve your chances of success on YouTube and better understand how its algorithm works. After all, success on YouTube isn't a magic trick, it's understanding the magic behind the algorithm. In the spirit of engagement, we want to remind you, our esteemed viewers, that your support is significant to us. If you found this video helpful and informative, we encourage you to like it and share it with others who might benefit. Your comments are also incredibly valuable. They allow us to understand your views, answer your questions, and continue to create content that serves your needs. And if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Subscribing not only helps us, but it also ensures that you won't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. We appreciate you, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep evolving, and have a fantastic day.